Hi Virgos, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for May 2022. Like always, I will rely on tarot and I'll also use some oracle decks that I have here. Virgos, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order. So please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading, Virgos. Towards the final days of April, stepping into May 2022, we have the Seven of Wands here. Perhaps Virgos at this time you needed to be flexible. There was a change in your schedule. Maybe you were also overworked. So time was at a premium. That is why you had to get up early or work late into the night. In case you're already working, I think the management was appreciative of your efforts. Perhaps you were coming across as a very disciplined leader. Maybe many of you had also been quite generous towards others. And in these days, you had also looked up to God for guidance. Obstacles to overcome this month or the challenges that May is going to present for you is the Knight of Cups. I think this is a Cups energy, so you are going to be a bit emotional. Maybe you shouldn't get worked up, or some people could also accuse you of being meddlesome. Perhaps Virgos, it would be best to keep your ego aside. Again, you need to have a very flexible approach here. You need to sail with the changes. Besides, I think you need to pull up your socks. You get distracted a bit. Influences for this month, we have the Seven of Swords. You see this person, he seems to be very sneaky, seems to be quite fishy. I think you need to be tactful and polite. Sometimes because of the Swords energy, we can come across as being very abrasive, and this could create disharmony or discord in our relationships. So it's imperative, Virgos, to not lose your cool. There will also be those days when you feel that your good intentions are never acknowledged, that they are misinterpreted, and that you end up getting the wrong end of the stick. I think for some Virgos, money or lack of employment opportunities could also be the bone of contention here. Nevertheless, I think in case you're already working, I think this is the energy which is asking you to be very forceful, to carry on with the task purposefully. You have to adjust to what your boss says, or you could end up alienating yourself. Maybe there's also rivalry which you need to counter this month. All said and done, Virgos, I think this month you could also get a marginal hike, so maybe you should approach your boss for the same. The first 10 days of May, we have the Six of Swords, another swords in your energy. You need to capitalize. The Swords card is asking you to be up and about, to be very flexible once again. I think there'll be last minute changes in your schedule. Maybe you think that things will not come about, but then everything will fall in place eventually. So you should be careful and you should be ready to grab the opportunities that are there. In essence, I think Virgos, you need to adapt this month. Maybe there'll also be reunions this month. Maybe you will enjoy good food and you'll be socializing. All in all, the first 10 days promises to bring in gains for you through communication. Maybe many of you are also dealing with officials here. Boss could also saddle you with excess work. Like I said, there could be people who are acting behind your back, so you should be careful of this negative energy which is around you. There could be rivalry and gossip about you as well. The next 10 days, that is 11th to 20th May, we have the Ten of Pentacles here. I think in these days, I think there could be employment opportunities. You're going to make financial gains as well. You will be overburdened. You will be taxed. Maybe the responsibilities are weighing on your shoulders. But then these are the challenges which are going to help you later on in life. I think deals will also be finalized. Maybe there'll also be work offers from another place or outstation work offers, but they may not excite you. As this is the material vibration, you can expect gifts as well. Spirituality is also something which will interest you at this time. Another message which I'm picking up right now, Virgos, is that this month you'll be the caregiver. I think this could test your patience, but then you should understand that you have to be there for your loved ones. The final days of May, we have the Queen of Pentacles. So another pentacle in your reading. Surely you will make gains, but you should look at the larger picture. Sometimes we capitalize, we make gains, but then in hindsight, we feel that we have lost out. So you should be mindful of that. Other than that, Virgos, in these days, you should also assert yourself rather than let people take you for granted. Technically, also, you could be quite challenged. Maybe gadgets could malfunction, and this is why you could be a bit perturbed. I'm also picking up that maybe someone is also trying to renew contact with you, or strange people could re-enter your life. With respect to your love life, I have this card, you deserve love, from the romance angels. Certainly, Virgos, I think you should be open to the idea of love. Maybe your past is also affecting your relationships this month. That is why you're closed off, or you're not giving anybody the chance, or that is why you're not welcoming love this month. Nevertheless, I think Virgos, there are going to be suitors. A lot of attention from the opposite sex is going to come your way, maybe from a far off place as well. I think several members of the opposite sex could also be looking at you, so you should be careful of unwanted attention. Even work colleagues could make a pass at you, but you may not realize the same. I think there could be someone who is quite smitten, but then you don't want to string anyone along. We also have this card, my soul's language, from the Love Oracle deck. Possibly, Virgos, you're wanting to renew contact with an on again, off again person. Maybe the distance is something which you want to bridge, or you couldn't take it anymore, or you can't take it anymore. I think you're going to have good exchange with this person. Perhaps some of you are also dealing with an ex-flame here. Maybe he is also wanting to renew contact with you, or he wants to give this relationship a chance, but you have somebody who has moved on from it. On the other hand, those of you who are already romancing, I think you need to be more romantic. You need to discuss things openly with your person rather than be too analytical in relationships. Sometimes, you could snub your person, and this is not being romantic at all, Virgos. Maybe at times you also desire alone time. You want to be all by yourself. I think you should also be very clear in conversations, because sometimes, you could speak in riddles. This could leave your person wondering. Those of you who are already married, I think you need to be very patient with your spouse. He's quite demanding this month. He wants your total attention. Maybe your spouse is also someone who is suffering from ill health, so you need to be there for him. I think you should also be very accommodating in your relationship. Maybe you will pour water on your spouse's plans. Perhaps you or your spouse wants to travel, because we have the Six of Swords in your reading. I think you want to plan for a trip, but then your spouse may not feel it is time. This could leave you a bit distressed or upset. Those of you who are in an unhappy marriage or an unhappy connection shouldn't put up with domestic violence. Again, your spouse could also be someone who is quite dominating. The last card in this reading is 111. You're a magical creator, it says here. You are a magical creator, it says here. Your thoughts are beginning to manifest. Certainly, this is the month when you will feel all aligned, or your thoughts are going to come to fruition. Even if there are going to be changes in your schedules, things will begin to take shape, or your ideas will begin to take shape this month. Whatever your intentions are, they are going to manifest this month, so it is best to have good thoughts. Again, Virgos, even if this month is going to be quite challenging for you, or even if there are rivals who are acting behind your back, you should understand that this is the month which is giving you the opportunity to make gains. Besides, you're going to be supported by the universe. I hope, Virgos, you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.